Hello everyone, welcome back to another session with me, Vishpa. So today we are going to look at the lesson, It's a Change. It's a great poem written by Emma Murray. Okay, so first thing is I will read out the poem, then I'll explain you line by line. Okay, so here the discussion is between a mother and a daughter. A daughter is explaining her doubts, her feelings to her mother. Okay, let's see. Mom, I don't want to go to school today because I fear our world is in decay. I feel my teachers are part of the plot. I'm the only one who sees through the rot. Scientists are cloning pigs and sheep, saying it's change a quantum leap. Biologists are making stem cells grow, saying it's change, the way to go. Geologists are finding cracks in our earth, saying it's change, predicting its birth. Archaeologists are digging up fossils and bones, saying it's change, time for clones. Yes, scientists are causing me great concern, giving us kids too much to learn. So here, this is a short and sweet poem where the student, she is a school student and she is asking her mom all her doubts and then she is explaining her what is happening around the world. You see here, what's the first line? Mom, I don't want to go to school today. So, I don't want to go to school today. I don't want to go to school today. Cause I fear our world is in decay. Our world is going to be in decay. Decay is nothing but decreasing or it is going to destroy. It's going to destroy. So, she is telling that I fear that our world is going to be decay. It is in decay. I feel my teachers are part of the plot. She's telling. What is she telling? Our teachers are part of the plot. What is meaning of plot? A secret plan made to do something. Plot is nothing but a secret plan made to do something. So she is feeling that teachers are part of the plot. I'm the only one who sees through the rot. So I am the only person who sees through the rot. Rot is nothing but see through means understanding, like understanding the situation. Rot is nothing but getting worse. Something you will say rotten apple. Rotten apple is nothing but worst apple. Like it is not convenient to eat. It is not good to eat. The same way the situation is getting worse. So she is understanding the worst situation which is getting day by day, which is happening day by day. Scientists are cloning pigs and sheep, saying it's change a quantum leap. Scientists are cloning pigs and sheep. What do you mean by cloning? Producing exact copy. So if someone is cloning me, a same like me will be standing beside. Okay, so the same exact features, they look the same. Okay, exact like that. So scientists are cloning. Cloning is nothing but producing an exact copy of an animal. So scientists are cloning. You can see recently many scientists are cloning sheep, pigs, all these things, right? Quantum leap, a sudden great and important change. So that cloning is bringing a sudden change or an important change in the life of all of us. Biologists are making stem cells grow. Who are biologists? People who work on biology are called biologists. Okay. What are biologists saying? What are they making? Stem cells grow. What do you mean by a stem cell? I did not write it. It is the basic cell where the cells start multiplying and becoming a living thing. The stem cell is nothing but it's a basic cell where the cells start multiplying and become a living thing. Okay. Then saying it's change the way to go. So it's also change. Everyone should accept the change. Biologists are telling that. Geologists are finding cracks in our So she's also telling geologists. Who are called geologists? Person who works on geology. What do you mean by geology? The study of geography is called geology. Study of geography is called geology. What is geography? Study about our earth. The physical features of our earth is called geography. Okay. So, saying its change, predicting its birth. So, they are finding cracks in the earth. Geologists are finding cracks in the earth, saying that we are able to predict when was earth born. We can find out the birth date of earth. When was it born? In which century was it born? How many hundreds and thousands of years ago was it born? Archaeologists are digging up fossils and bones, saying it's changed, time for clones. Archaeologists, who are archaeologists? The person who studies about archaeology. What is archaeology? Like people who somewhere we will find the statues of gods, goddesses or fossils. When people excavate, when they start digging in the olden places, in the olden palaces, they'll find out fossils. Fossils are nothing but the remains of an animal or a plant which have become hard. So fossils are nothing but remains of animals or plants which have become hard and thick. So archaeologists are digging up fossils and bones, saying it's changed, time for clones. It's time for cloning. We are finding out the cells of this basic stem cells or something, and we are timing for cloning. It's time to clone. Yes, scientists are causing me great concern, giving us kids too much to learn. Yes, these scientists are causing me great concern. Great concern is nothing but worry. Concern is nothing but worry. So scientists are causing me great worry. Okay, giving all of us to learn more. This is the poem, short and sweet poem. So this is the wish, or this is the thought of a little girl. Plot. What is the meaning of plot? A secret plan made to do something wrong. See through. See through is a phrasal verb. You can say understand it. So understanding is nothing but see through. The rot. The situation in this context, the situation is getting worse. Whereas rot is nothing but spoiled food. We'll say rotten. The food is spoiled. The rice is rotten. Or the apple is rotten, which is nothing but spoiled. It's not good to eat. Cloning. Producing an exact copy of an animal. Quantum leap, a sudden, great and important change. A sudden change is called quantum leap. Stem cell, a basic type of cell from which all other cells develop. So stem cell is nothing but it's a basic type of cell from which all other cells develop. Fossil, the remains of an animal or a plant which have become hard and turned into a rock. So it will, from thousands of years, the fossils of animals will be buried in the earth, right? So when after many years, they'll become hard and they'll become into a rock. Concern is nothing but worry. Okay, who is the speaker? Let's get into the question answers. Who is the speaker of this poem? Guess her age. Support your answer. Who is the speaker here? Yes, you're all right. The speaker here is the little girl. Guess her age, most probably of your age, 8 or 9 years, right? So what age are you all? You're 7th, most probably 8 years or 9 years, right? 9 or 10. 9 and 10, most probably 7th, okay. By 10th you will be 15, so by 7th, what age will you be? I'm predicting, wait. Most probably 12, 11 or 12. Sorry, you'll be most probably 11 or 12. Support your answer. So support your answer. So she is a school student. So you can see. So she doesn't want to go to school. What is the speaker's concern? What is the main concern of the speaker? What is her concern? Her concern is about learning. First concern is about studying or learning. And the next concern is, what is the next concern? About our Mother Earth. It is getting destroyed day by day, right? So the next concern is about our Mother Earth. How would you feel if a scientist cloned you? How would you feel? I feel very different. I'll be wondered. And it will be different feeling, right? I'll feel very I'll be very excited if a scientist clones me. And I'll observe. If a personality is cloned beside me, I'll observe how is she looking, how is she like that, right? And let me know how do you feel if you are cloned. What is the speaker's concern? Which line in the poem shows it? So, which line in the poem shows it? So, the last line. Yes, scientists are causing me great concern, giving us kids too much to learn. So, this line shows that the concern. What does, yes, scientists are causing me great concern. How is this statement true? In view of the speaker, what is your view? Is this true? Yes. In my view, it is true. And what is your view? Yes, scientists are causing great concern for all the kids. But still, when the technology is developing, we have to adapt to the technology and we have to learn it. We should not be afraid and we should not run away from the technology or the developments. We have to go with the flow. We should not be we should not be afraid of the situation and we should not keep quiet. No, we have to go with the flow. What does an archaeologist do? What does an archaeologist do? They will excavate. They will excavate what is present under the earth. They will excavate fossils, bones, and big trunks of big trees. What would you like to be when you grow up? What do you want to be when you grow up? Let me know about this. Okay? How was this poem? Is it nice? Okay. Let's, there is small exercise here. Read the following lines from your poem and notice that the underlined words end with the same sound. So, rhyming words. Here, there are some rhyming words. Let's see. Mom, I don't want to go to school today because I fear our world is in decay. So, today, decay. So, these two are rhyming words. So, tell me some more rhyming words here. Plot, rot. What is the rhyming for sheep? Leap. Grow, go maybe. Earth, birth. Bones, clones. Concern, learn. So these are our rhyming words. Add two more words. So let's see if there are any other words. Birth, earth, bones, clones. Scientists, biologists, geologists. So these are our rhyming words. Archaeologist is also rhyming. Right? So these are our rhyming words. And what is the project given after this poem? Collect information about 5 scientists and write it in your notebooks in the format given below. So you have to collect information about 5 scientists. Like you have to write name of the scientist, country, discovery, what did they discover and what is what they were. Okay? Okay, that's it for today. If you like my video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.